Welcome to part 2 of my free mixing plugin series. Today I'm gonna show you mainly compressors and a bass saturation at the end, so let's begin. This is a track that I've been working on lately and I'm going to let you listen to it without any effects first, as usual. Alright, so the first plugin that I'm gonna show you is called DB Comp, and this is from Analog Obsession. This helps bring out some of the lower frequencies, and it's a great bass compressor. It kind of helps you push forward all of the beef that you need because it's also got a little bit of saturation. And here I've used it to accentuate the transient, the attack, the impact of the kick mainly. Without with it. I really like it. This is, of course, this is for free, so check it out. Next, we have the over the top, the OTT from Xver. This is a multi-band compressor, but since it got like in this lower part here, the upward and downward compression really transform the sound of your signal. So this is not just a compressor, this is a Swiss knife. Here, in this instance, I've used it to make the hi-hats and the higher frequencies shine a bit more. Let's hear the track without and with it. This also, with the downward compression here, you can also hear the kick drum really pierce through the mix. I've really used this on basically every mix that I make, regardless of the actual genre of music that you're doing, because I'd use it on metal music, on lo-fi music, or EDM, house, you know. You can really find a place for this plugin everywhere, so check it out. The third plugin, it's actually a Reaper exclusive because it's from Toucan Studios. This is the NC76, and this got a little bit of saturation on the mid frequencies. I guess I'll hear on the mid frequencies. So, and it really helps tame the signal. In the chain is really going to be useful. This is usually used on really aggressive sources like distorted vocals or drums or guitars. You can really use it everywhere. This is a really good plugin. I really enjoy it because it kind of tightens up all the sounds, you know. So check it out if you're using Reaper as a DAW, because this is a Reaper exclusive, like all the other plugins from Toucan Studios. But they are really good, so this is just one, but there is an entire suite of plugins that you can check it out. The last plugin that I'm gonna show you, it's called Lofi. This is also from Analog Obsession, and this is a bass enhancer. Now, I'm using it on this track, but the effects is extreme. The lower frequencies kind of covers all the other frequencies. But if you're using it on a single source track, perhaps a snare that is kind of thin, or a bass, of course, this is mainly created for enhanced bass, but kick drums and vocals, you know, you can use it on every single source track. Here you can just hear the effects. So. effects is exaggerated, but you can find a way to use this plugin. So let's just hear the track without anything and then with all the plugins activated. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. I'm gonna do the part 3 soon, probably right now actually. Part 3 I'm gonna show you mainly some effects plugins, reverb, delay effects and choruses and other stuff. So subscribe, leave a comment, give me love, likes, money, whatever you want.